friends, in earlier presentation or video, I have discussed the introduction and concept of management. But here I am going to discuss the characteristics of management. Number one is management is a goal-oriented process. Number second is management is a continuous process. Number third is management is all-pervasive. Number fourth is management is a group activity. Number fifth is management is multidimensional. Number six is management is a dynamic function. And number seventh is management is an intangible. Now come to the first feature of the management. Why management is said a goal-oriented process? It is so because management helps the organization to achieve the objectives efficiently and effectively. The objectives set up by the management should be expressed in terms of money, because only then the management can contribute towards the achievement of organization goals in effective and in efficient manner. Now come to the next point, that is management is a continuous process. How we can say it is an ongoing process? Management process consists of a series of continuous which are performed by the manager one after the another on the continuous basis. Management is continuous in nature and goes for a long period of time. Now come to the next point, that is management is pervasive. How we can say management is pervasive? It means it requires all level of management. How we can say this? Management is necessary to conduct every type of activity. The activities involved in the management are common to all organizations, whether economical, social, political. Management is required at all the types of levels of management and in all the departments of the organization. That's why we said that management is pervasive. It requires at all level of management. Now come to the next point, that is it is a group activity. How we can say it is a group activity, or why we can say? Because it is always needed to combine the efforts, activities, and in different new points of different people working in the organization. The need of management arises only when there is a group. Now come to the next point. It is multidimensional. Management is multidimensional. As we can see, management is a three-dimensional activity and it includes three parts: management of work, management of people, management of operations. Here I am going to discuss with you management of work. It means every organization established for some work and no work can be completed for the management. Come to the next point, that is management of people. How we can manage people, or how the manager can manage people? In every organization, work is carried out by the people, but they cannot be able to perform without management. Management is a heartbeat of every organization. Next point is management of operations. This dimension is interrelated or interlinked with both management. Now, management of work also, and number second is management of people also. Now come to the next point, that is it is a dynamic function. How we can say management is a dynamic function? we can say that it has to adjust itself according to the regular and continuously changing environment. The business which is static cannot survive in a long run. Now come to the next point, next feature of the management, that is it is an intangible force. What do you mean by intangible? Intangible means we can't see that, we can only feel that. Management is called an intangible in nature because it can never be seen or touched, but the presence can be felt through the way organization function. How we can feel the presence? We can feel the presence by organization functions. The effect, for example, we can take the effect of management is noticed in an organization with targets. How we can feel? When we achieve the target, then we can feel the management process. Then we can conclude that our management is doing something for us and we are achieving the target. Because of them, we are going to do a teamwork. We are going to perform a group activity. I hope now you understand and clear the features and characteristics of management. I hope you like my video. So please like, share and subscribe.